Welcome back, my sweet friends. My name is Iris, and you know I am cooking, traveling, home organizing, and decorating lover. So today, from the Cooking with Me series, I bring to you a chicken burger pie for that last day. So let's go. And please check the video description because I put all the ingredients there. And you know, don't judge me for that water in the chicken because I season the chicken with garlic and salt, and I keep it in the freezer for days like this when I want something like quick and easier to cook. So let's start. I cut the chicken into small to make it easier. And then I start cutting and crushing the ingredients that will be used as a season for our burger. For the all ingredients, please check the video description. Here I had oil, olive oil to help the burger stick it together. You can use egg if you want, but in my house I have a kid doesn't eat egg, so just why I use oil. And you know, I like the olive oil because it gives smell and the flavor. Once our seasoning look pretty, we'll add the chicken, but we need to be careful because you don't want to turn a mash, but you want to cut all the pieces and very, very small pieces. So please be careful. And you know, you want a burger on final result and not a mash, chicken mash. I don't eat chicken mash. Yeah. Wow, look the beautiful texture. Now we are going to start molding our burger. Here it's up to you, but remember that the chicken burger is less consistent than the beef burger. So please do with love and do your best. Oops, let me wearing my gloves. You know, my hands have been always clean, but it's because I have nails and the pieces are so small that they can go in and out without me seeing. And you know, even you washing your hands, your nails, all the time nails accumulates a lot of stuff. Just why you need to keep safety. let's set our air fryer in 108 degrees for 10 minutes. It's just for pre-cook and release the water chicken. And if you don't have air fryer, you can do on your pan. So put just a little bit oil, not so much, and pre-cook your chicken. For his removal, you can put a spray cook. Is that water we talk about? While I wait the other burgers to be ready, I do my mixed herb salad. You can do whatever you want. You can mix all the veggies you like. It's up to you. I do this because I like, and for me it's the best side. So for our base sauce, we'll mix this mayo and this sweet chili sauce. But if you don't like mayo or sweet chili, you can jump this part. The best part. Now he opened the puff pastry, and I will straight with my finger just a little bit, only to become more bigger. I'm going to measure it out 4 fingers and cut them out. On this recipe, I use 1 pack of puff pastry. Makes for me 5 good sized pies. That's enough. Then I add 1 tablespoon of the sauce. That sauce, mayo and sweet chili. On the base, the burger, and 1 more tablespoon on top. With a fork, close the pies tightly. Please make sure you close tightly, because all sauce can come out when you put on oven. And for make it shine colorful, we'll brush egg on top and sesame seeds. If you don't like sesame seeds, you can jump this part, but it's given. Keep going, we're almost done. As our burger is pre-cooked, we just want to crisp our pastry, so we bake it in the oven at 200 degrees for 20 minutes or until it's golden brown. Now is the best part. Time to eat. I hope you enjoy it. Bon appetit. And please subscribe, like, comment, share it. And see you soon. Bye.